All right, here's cabin 7210. Now that it's disembarkation day.
Tater's gonna Tate.
So this is the well-seasoned cabin tour.
Better late than never, folks.
Yep.
All right.
Without us saying we wanted it, it's got a motion-activated mirror.
It's got a sensor in the mirror, and I thought you had to touch it, but you really just have to be around it.
Yeah, we didn't realize.
Yeah, so that's been turning off and on all morning, which is fine. Very nice. You've got 4 drawers over here, the drawer in the desk. Here's your fridge, and then there's 2 cabinets over here, and they're really deep. It's a regular size, almost a regular size deep.
Yeah, it's deceptive. It really seems like it's like a nothing cabinet.
We put this stuff underneath to make the shelf open, so that helped too. Couch, fairly decent. Not cloth. Looks like cloth.
It looks like cloth, but it's really vinyl.
Yeah, so that was really nice. Sorry about the unmade bed.
Yep.
Nightstand on each side of the bed. Lamps with
USB and USB-C on each side.
That switch above the bed controls the overhead lights, so you can turn all off at the same time.
Yeah, it just doesn't affect this light.
It doesn't affect that flickering thing, and it doesn't affect that one.
Right, it's not its own separate switch.
That is its own switch.
The temperature is not registered in anything. It's just hot or cold. So we've had it set here-ish the whole time and been pretty okay. There's been a couple times it's like we were roasting. And everybody else is saying they're an ice cube. Or
then I would be freezing. Do not step backwards. My phone is on the floor. You can step backwards. My phone is no longer on the floor.
Alright, so unlike the Paradise, we are in a balcony cabin as we pull into the port. The door that swings out. We're almost there. Pretty decently sized veranda. So we sat out here a few times. We never like took food out here. I think we just sat and looked at the water. Or Jamie would sit out here and read. Also very private because of these extra fins that stick out. So like our neighbors would be out here also looking at the water and stuff, and like you could see their silhouette through the glass, but you couldn't really see them otherwise. It's like the only way you really know they were there, if they said anything. All right, continuing on. Bed-wise,
Firm, definitely on the firm side.
Yeah.
But comfortable. I didn't have any problem sleeping because of the bed. I had problem sleeping because people were being very loud on their balconies at all hours for some weird reason.
It was not them.
It was at one point. At one point they were out there talking in the middle of the night next door.
Oh.
2 doors down was the music.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody cranked the stereo out on the balcony.
Yeah, it was
and,
really loud.
We had to actually call to have something done about it. So they apparently the guy wasn't. He just literally set it and forget it, and then the guy had to go in there and forcibly turn it off. What else? So here's the bathroom. Shower was nice.
Shower was excellent.
Yeah, the water pressure was incredible.
Even in the sink, water pressure is.
Yeah, check this out. Let's turn on the hot. Give it a second. One more second.
That's what I'm doing today.
There it goes. If it's not showing up on the camera very well, it's literally steaming because it's scalding hot right now. That's full hot. So you do not need full hot unless you're trying to like disinfect something. We'll turn this down to safety levels here.
Yeah, I got scalded. That wasn't bad at all.
This is a weird thing to say. The toilets are nicer than the Paradise. But the Paradise is like electrical flush weirdness. This is the typical cruise ship plungy button flush. And finally, we got tall closets for the first two closest to the door. And then you got life jacket safe, laundry list. We didn't think our phone worked, but we were using it wrong. So a common complaint has been that there's not really much in the way of a directory of what's what. So they give you this card saying 99 for medical and then 9324 for maintenance.
So maintenance got every call.
So that's who I had to call about the loud music on the balcony. So when I called, they said it was housekeeping. And I'm like, well, can you tell somebody about the music on the balcony? He's like, yeah, I'll send somebody over. And somebody showed up.
Yeah. So plenty of space, plenty of storage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we really liked it.
Nicely decorated and stuff.
Yes, very, very cute.
Mm-hmm.
And everything is brand new, so
Yeah.
yeah, there wasn't really any issues with anything. We'll have to check back in a year or so once it's all used.
Yeah, exactly right.
Yeah. But yeah, this is a Breezy Balcony.
Mm-hmm.
And would recommend.
Yep.
Yes. Are you ready to head down for disembarkation shenanigans?
Yep. Yeah, let's do this. How about this?
No!